Right, I am in Cala Bona, Mallorca, right in front of my hotel, Sunwing, Cala Bona, and I am at this beach that looks like a disaster. And let's go along the coast, uh, south, and see if we can find a better beach than this one. Because this is one of the worst beaches that I have ever been to. It is a complete and ultimate disaster. I have went first up north, but there it seems that the cold ends. There's not much of a beach, so I just looked at Google Maps, and it seems like there is a better beach down the road. Now I'm in some kind of a... Let's see if I can find my way, but I think this is the way. I actually made now a shortcut instead of circling around, which is great. And yes, I'm in Mallorca, an island, and I'm again on the road. Today is 19th of April 2025, and currently it is 4:40 p.m., which means we're gonna have sun for 3 hours more approximately, as the sunset will be on the other side of the mountains, so we will not be having until the very last minute of the sunset. So I should have done a better research before booking. 2 weeks! I booked 2 weeks here. Am I insane? I expected the hotel to have a top class beach. I think I have looked at pictures, it looked nice, but it definitely didn't look like this. Oh, there's a cat. Oh, no, don't run. Oh, she wasn't much photogenic today. So at the airport today there were a lot of people, massive, huge amount of people, but I'm guessing most of them are staying in Palma de Mallorca, where is the airport, or maybe the west coast, which is a bit better, Alcudia, where I was 2 years ago. It was amazing. Now on this coast there are beautiful beaches, but they are a bit off, I believe, so I just need to find them. And it looks like it's an off season, but it is Easter, so I'm assuming there will be some tourists at least. Here we are on the main road. Orange juice is 3.50, €3.50. Those are touristic prices, but you can drink it with ocean view, so I guess it's worth it. That's the price also in Greece, I believe, for an orange juice. Here we have coffee with cake for €6.50 at a gelateria, which I really don't think they serve gelato. It's maybe just ice cream, but what do I know? Okay, here we have a bit of nicer water than the one at the hotel. So looks like we're gonna find a nice beach soon for my first beach adventure in Mallorca of my vacation. 15-day vacation. That's right. Here we have some menu. So the meals are around 17 euros, which sounds about right. A bit less expensive than Sweden, I would guess, depending on if it's lunch or dinner, because sometimes in Sweden for lunch it is very cheap. It's the dinner that is quite expensive when you go out and eat, which is why I rarely eat out in Sweden. It seems like we came now to the middle of the city of Cala Bona, This is my very first time here, so I'm exploring together with you for the first time. Here we have a few more restaurants and a port. Pretty much empty today. There is some kind of attraction here of boat. I'm gonna check it out. What time is it?
What is the price? It's gonna be
A bit from the water. So far, I'm not impressed. I am not impressed. Here we have another hotel, Hotel Catalonia del Mar. That seems almost empty. And a sculpture. Earlier today was 23 degrees Celsius in the air. Let's see how much is it now. As I'm showing you the port. -22 degrees Celsius right now, but it's quite pleasant. And the sea temperature in Palma de Mallorca is 16.6. Let's see if I can find for Cala Bona. No. 16.6 it's in Palma, but it should be around the same here as well. More restaurants. I'm now second guessing my choices of vacation. And why did I choose 2 weeks? So why? I think I'm gonna get bored on day 2 or day 3, which is tomorrow. Luckily in the hotel there is workouts that you can take for free, such as bootylicious, core, tabata, yoga, and similar. So that will keep me busy, and I can obviously spend a lot of time on content creation. Oh, there is one person swimming. That's great. Soon it's gonna be 2 people swimming. Okay, here we have every day until 3:30 all the pizzas and pasta dishes for $9.95. So I will come someday here for a pizza. because $10, I mean 10 euros sounds like a good deal for a pizza. And here we have paellas for 16 euros, but it's minimum for 2 people. And I'm only one. And I probably eat like a half person right now. So no paella for me then, I guess. Okay, here we have some kind of a beach. Slightly better than the previous one. So I think this will be for me. Looks like a beach, definitely, but I have seen better beaches than this for sure. For sure. But I guess this should do it. And this is a beach right next to a hotel here, but it's a lot cleaner than the one at Sunwing where I'm staying. But let's continue and see if we can find some more beautiful spots down the coast. Otherwise, this will be it. So the umbrellas are still not up, as season is not yet come. All right. Now this looks nice. I cannot lie. Looks pretty. This is how the east coast of Mallorca looks like in April. And here we have continuation of the beach and nobody is here. So I guess I can choose this spot to chill for my first beach adventure. And as you can see on this tent, they have cleaned the sea grass. On this side there is a massive pile of sea grass. Right? Indeed. So yeah, this looks nice. This looks nice, and there is even a shadow for me. But yeah, that is then mission successful. I have found a decent beach for my first beach adventure here in Cala Bona, Mallorca. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching this episode, and I really hope that my mindset and my uh, passion will change for this place, because my first impression is just not giving. So greetings from Cala Bona, Mallorca. Thank you so much for following me on this walk from my hotel Sunwing to this beach that I don't know the name of, but it might be the main city beach. There is no beach name here, actual beach name, but it belongs to the, I would say it's Playa de Cala. Playa de Cala Milor. Okay, this is Playa Cala Bona, because Cala Milor is a different place that I will go later actually down the road. So greetings from Platia, Cala Bona, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.